That was a bad lighting. Okay, so no. I bought a new mouse the other day. Let's unbox it together. I bought this. I bought the Mac version because I use MacBook. Oh. Let's turn it on. Oh, I thought I broke it. Never mind. Let me try to connect it to my MacBook. Bluetooth. Connecting it. Oh, it's connected. No, this is so cool. That's so cool. I think I really like this mouse, but the only thing I don't like about it is like it doesn't have the clicking sound. You know, with the mouse. This is the mouse I've been using. I got the Apple one. But when you click it, there's a sound, but this one it doesn't have a sound. I feel like I would still use this mouse, but maybe I'll use this one more. Let's try it together and do some actual work. Look at how the flower is now from my last video. This is so cute. Like, it's so pretty. They're about to all open now. They haven't opened yet at the top, but they've opened like here already. I'm gonna change the water for these later so they don't like dry out. But look how pretty they are looking. I've been watching To All the Boys I've Loved Before. I'm just rewatching it again. I'm gonna watch the second movie during dinner. I haven't watched this series yet. Can someone tell me, like, is it good? welcome back. So I'm back now, and I'm gonna show you what I bought for my photography shoot. So the first thing I got is this tripod. This one is really light, so I can bring it to school. If it's really heavy, then I can't like carry it around the school. This is what it looks like. It can be longer, obviously, or it wouldn't be a tripod. The next one, I was aiming for like a vintage theme, so I got this dress. These dresses are the ones I bought like many years ago, so they are not that on trend. So like imagine a kid buying those and it would make sense. And I bought, this is really questionable, so I bought this. It's so bad. Why would I buy that? The next, this is also as bad, is this dress. It looks like the picnic carpet. That's what it looks like. And the last one I bought is this dress. Not dress, this skirt. But this is really long. Let me try to show you how short it is. Not how long it is. So this is, I can't even see it. It's really long. I don't think I'm ever gonna wear it outside of the shoots. Anyway. Ooh, that was a bad lighting. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. In the next video, I think you're gonna be spending a Saturday with me. I'm gonna film that 2 days later, and it will be out next Friday at 3:15 p.m. UK time. I think that's what I'm aiming for. Anyway, I'm so looking forward to see all of you again. If you have finished the video here, or like if you watched the entire video, comment a purple heart. I think I would make that clear before in like a small wordy description thing. So comment down a purple heart so I know you watch it. Okay, bye. See you guys in the next video. Bye.